Lily. Pikalan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jauh na kan ni. Ba, ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu. What was Leitan?
Sister, hapsiu kat no ma.
Ka sorkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo.
Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka bakordor.
Umantri rang ba gejala Conrad ke sangma hawa klam hak sengi pengkut ke bedeng klam arja arhaundru ke Seiñ Raij Tuber ne ke sengi dapat bena wa sorkar dawan ra ko yai wetme ikam iwarau yarap wa penne pensa ikriti dustur kam jo ke niam gorkom lang ba ni ko sorkar raw yarap ko le ochna ki museum upenne ya ki wore moja de benta ki niam per hapo gejala meklia dong wa ni man ko ne benta ki Seiñ Raij ke sengkasi ki balang presbyterian ki balang katolik delang ki wi ki niam Niliang sorkar ego kerchan daw irap ko le ochna yu kam ne bentai rukam ngai niam kam jo garti dustur. Hai to wa gador khat wa de ede Seiñ Raij Tuber ne ochna yu ko wi museum do ong wa daw chimkhia wa pynyoh ka dei lang ka galeri. Do ong le wa dustur ruti to iwa timit ke berthai I wa kam wa penne pensa ka.
Very soon the government of Meghalaya will be coming out with a special program to promote different aspects of culture, especially supporting the different aspects of religious culture and the religious history of our state. The government is planning to support creation of museums, the creation of different historical aspects, the creation of different infrastructures for different religious faiths in the state of Meghalaya. Whether it is the Seiñ Raij, Seiñ the Presbyterian Church, the Catholic Church, or any other religious beliefs, the government has decided that we will support and create, as I said, different infrastructures to support these different cultural and religious beliefs, and at the same time create a historical and different aspects of cultural and museums in different parts of the state based on the different cultures and religious beliefs that our people have. And therefore, in line with that, the memorandum that has been submitted today by the Seiñ Raij Tuber will be very, very positively considered under this new scheme. And I'm happy to inform that we will be taking up this program as well as many other programs of different religious groups under this new scheme, which will be launched very, very soon. As I mentioned in my speech, that there's a proposal to set up a gallery and a museum here. So as part of a new scheme, we are planning to support the proposal that has been given by the Seiñ Raij Tuber. And the idea, as I said, is to give infrastructural support and ensure that the history, the culture is also captured through these different initiatives. And the support will be given to different religious organizations throughout the state. The idea, as I said, is to maintain the cultural aspect and the history and all the documentation of the different religious groups that are there in our state. Thank you.
And you mentioned the amount roughly.
The amount demanded has been 10 crores. So as I said, since we'll be giving to all different groups, we'll be working out what the amounts will be. As I said, there is a demand and there's a request from different religious organizations. We will be coming out with a comprehensive plan. As you're aware, anywhere in the state also, when you are committing something to somebody, you have to also remember the impact it has on others, and others also expect. So therefore, realizing that we want to take a comprehensive approach, not to kind of leave out anybody, any religious group. So it will be a comprehensive plan, and the proposal given by the Seiñ Raij Tuber will also be included in that, and we will see how to move forward. Well, this is my second visit here. I have come before, and every time I come here, I see it get better and better. And the way the people have come together to really be part of the festival, it's a wonderful sight and a wonderful feeling. And for us as a government, we have always believed that this is the true identity of the people of our state. This is what makes us who we are. This is our culture. And it is very important that we keep it alive. It is very important that we pass it on to our generations. And therefore, ensuring that it is celebrated with the right spirit, and also ensuring that the participation is there from the people, is very, very important. So I take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy Bedengklam festival. And as we know that this is a festival which is meant to ward off all the evils or diseases that are there, and in the new sense, all the kind of bad vibes that are there. So therefore, it is a lot of deep meaning, even in today's world and today's society. So therefore, it's a very meaningful festival, and as I said, a very important part of our culture. I am very keen as a government to support and to further improve the infrastructure for festivals like these. Very soon, I will be announcing a program and a scheme specially meant to promote different aspects of the religious, cultural aspect and the history of the different religious groups in our state, whether it's the Seiñ Raij, chimkhia, or the Christian religious groups, or any other religious group. We are here to support and to be able to create different aspects like museums, like historical facts and cultures. All of this will be done. Just recently I was speaking to our Presbyterian church leaders who had mentioned about putting up a museum in the memory of Thomas Jones. And so under the same scheme, we'll be taking up those museums, and for the Catholic Church also, as well as for other denominations in other places, and also for our own traditional religion and the Seiñ Raij and the chimkhia and other religious organizations that are there. We'll be supporting them in the days to come. Thank you.